which of the following method could be used to calculate the cost of common equity capital? So when we compute, remember, we have a cost of equity, we have the cost of debt. So which model can we use to find out what is our cost? How much is raising capital is costing us as a company? Because that's very important, because the cost of raising money is an important factor in making a decision, because when you undertake a project, you want to earn more than your cost. The cost of capital, which is the common equity, is part of the cost of capital. So what can you use? Which method can you use to determine this common equity capital cost? Can you use the capital asset pricing model? And the answer is yes. You can use something called CAPM, and we're going to be looking at exercises today on how to compute CAPM. Definitely CAPM can be used to estimate your cost of equity. Once you know one is right, so you could eliminate B, you could eliminate D. Now, all what you have to find out now, if discounted cash flow model is also an acceptable model for determining the cost of equity. And let me tell you, yes, discounting cash flow of what? Think about it. What do equity does? Equity pays dividend. So equity pays you dividend. And what you do, you can factor the percentage dividend divided by the market price, plus you could add some growth rate, and you could use this formula and a discounted cash flow model to find out how much equity is costing you, because you have to pay the investors dividend. So that's also your cost of equity. So guess what? Both of these methods can be used to estimate your cost of equity. Now, why is this important? This is important for something called the WACC, the weighted average cost of capital. You have to find out, which maybe we'll work another session. The cost of equity is involved in that computation. But you could use either model to compute your cost of equity.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.